Now we need to get the wall thickness around the building. We did all inside corners here because A touches the picture plane and it's an inside corner and we're drawing an interior perspective. But now we need to get the exterior corners. And again, we start in the front. We don't want to plot B and D outside here just yet. We want to start in the front because this is the most important thing in our drawing. If that's accurate, that's right in the front of our drawing. And then the things at the outside, left and right, don't need to be as accurate. So we need to start here in the front. So the way that we do that is we plot to the left and right of C. So we take this and we go, I'm going to be as accurate as possible again. Having a hard time seeing that. We go up to the picture plane there, and then we go here. Oops, I want to be like that. And we go up to the picture plane there. And then we come down. We come down and we're going to cross the top and cross the bottom lines. That's why I had you draw them extended. If we cross the top and cross the bottom, it's just easier. We don't have to go back and figure out what we're doing. Then we do the other side of C. And we cross the top and the bottom like that. You could draw them darker if you wish. Maybe I should. All right, now this front corner is going to be a column, and our walls then are going to be built off this column. Well, what do we know? We already have everything we need. We know that this will come this way and this will come this way, and where these cross, that will be the front column. We know that at the top it's above our head, so we're looking up into it, but we know from this vanishing point and from this vanishing point where those cross, we'll have our column. So let's see if it works. All right, let's see if we can do it right. First I'm going to erase those. Clean that up a little bit. From vanishing point left through the base of this column, and I can actually draw it full length because I need the wall lines. And then this side out to the front, I need the wall line going back. This side and up. This side and up. All right, let's see, how did we do between this and this? And we're a hair, just a hair off. Good enough. The next thing we need are the columns from the side, from the left and right side. And we know, if I go up here to the top, corner B was the inside corner, and so this is the wall line. I don't want to plot this outside corner. I have nothing to attach it to yet. I have to only plot points that are on the wall line. So I can plot this point, but actually I already have that point. Down in the bottom here, I can start to build the column off of this intersection right here. And if I went true vertical all the way up, I should be hitting this line, but I'm a little bit off that. So that would be the inside of the column on the wall line. Now I need a depth. So if I was to plot this outside corner of B and went this way to the outside corner of B, up to the picture plane, and then down, well, in this case, it's not so far. It's not so bad. It winds up being right here. So then from that information, I can build my cube. And go back. And I can go back. And a little bit off there, but that's okay, it's way back there. If, when you plotted this from your drawing, if D was way too close to this line here, you could just pick any line in there and build it. Let's try on the left side outside of D. And I also want to say that when you're doing it in a bigger scale, it may, with a different station point, it may be harder to do also. Of D, I know that this should line up with this, roughly. And then if I was to plot actual D, I'm thinking it is inside. It comes down right here, just inside. So it is like that. And it's very tight in there. It's still a little bit there, but you could pick that distance if it was too tight. And see, these don't meet back here, but that's no big deal. It all looks great. Okay, so we should have 3 columns with 4 sides, 4 verticals each, top and bottom, top and bottom. Now we are ready to move to the next step.